Hello, this is Lillian from Leappcb, which produce PCB and PCB assembly, and also we can purchase electronic components for you. Today, let me give you a brief introduction of our display hall prototypes. Let's see the one in my hand. This is a keyboard motherboard with black solder mask color, and it usually used for the computers. Okay, let's see the next one. This is a 6-layer with blind and buried hole PCB board. They're ideal for advanced electronic devices that require compact, high-performance circuit boards, such as smartphone, tablets, and so on. Okay, next one. This is a prototype with one side white solder mask color, and the other side is black solder mask color, and you can choose the color you want, such as black, green, yellow, red, purple, blue, and so on. This is a HDR board with a small PCBA unit. You see, it's very small. PCBAs are excellent choice for advanced electronic systems. Okay, let's check the sample album. This is a push-button board. It usually used for remote controls, keyboards, and so on. And this one is a small half-hole board. It's also called custom-made hole board. This is a multi-layer with a gold finger board. These connectors are designed for insertion into car edge connectors, providing a reliable and durable connection. This is a half-hole board. This is a 4-layer 2-ounce half-hole board. We can produce up to 40 ounces. Anyway, choose the right cup thickness for your PCB is critical for ensure performance, reliability, and durability. Okay, let's see next. This is a multi-layer rigid board. This is a yellow. Okay, this is a 6 red and HDR board, also blind and buried hole board. The red is beautiful. I like red very much. This is a multi-layer board with 4 pieces in one panel, and this is also multi-layer board, 4 pieces in one panel. It's different shape. It's a push button. It's also a button board with emotion gold finger. Okay, this one is a rigid flex board. Rigid flexible PCB are ideal for advanced electronic applications that demand a combination of flexibility, durability, and performance. This is a single board FI for fabrication. This is also a single board. This is also a single board. This is a flex board. Flexible board, it provides the flexibility, durability, and performance needed for innovative and compact design. This is a multi-layer board. Okay, this is a multi-layer board. Okay, this is also a multi-layer board, 10-layer. This is a multi-layer board. Here it is. It's a flexible board. Again, it's widely used for many places, such as computers and medical device equipment. Okay, let's check the last one. This is a big, huge board. It's twice than my face. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye.